D&D Plumbing and Drainage Limited has been a family-operated company since 1947, operating throughout the UK. Our company aims to provide solutions to any drainage problem that you or your company may face, and we pride ourselves by offering our clients the most up-to-date equipment available at sensible prices for our clients. From drain cleaning to CCTV surveys, drain testing and repair, maintenance packages, tanker and jet vacs, confined space entry, and much more. Since 1992, we've been the firm of choice for thousands of clients throughout Clitheroe and beyond. Call now for a free quote.